So right about now, you don't know say it's another vlog. I'ma just want to say blessings and respect to everybody who forward out and support the vlog them every time when I post a vlog. You know what I mean? My sooner show and like and support. My sooner like up a video. Please me I beg you know, continue like up a video. Make sure when like up the vlog them. It help me a lot and it help me for help you know what I mean? Me sooner comment, me always tell you say that's how me only reason when I comment more while. If I even first, me still rate the people who always comment first and them so me blessings and respect to you. Down to the people who comment, big up my G's them, me see them, me read them, blessings and respect to you. So yeah, remember the last vlog me telling us, you can hear this? Sound like water run door. Well the last vlog me did telling us me gonna make a fish tank. And me actually do it, me put the stuff them in there already. Me put the water and everything and them some in there already. So me basically build it already. No fish no in there yet. But me go show you how it look right now. So over there we go. Buy a nice little filter yesterday. See it there. Come over here. So now you have a nice little car. This is one of the things that I buy. I buy one heap of different color stone and put in it. You have like a plants there and everything. Come over here, so now we have yeah. Come over here, so now we have a nice little ship. You know what I mean? So I'll go on over this so far there. We have a plant in the middle here, so again. Forward over here, so now. Boy, SpongeBob chilling on a shipwreck. You know what I mean? So, more. I don't know what type of swimmers me are gonna get put in it yet. But we are gonna figure out something. We definitely are gonna figure out something. We'll make it work. We'll make it work. SpongeBob, we'll make it work, right? Yeah, we'll make it work. Shipwreck. I saw the fish tank in here, shipwreck. You know what I mean? So when the water filter enough, then we can go buy swimmers. When the water filter enough, then we can go buy fish. I don't know where we are yet. Probably get some shark and throw them in there. I'm not too sure yet, but yeah, I'm not gonna be the first to know with me. Remember, when you can find everything in our backyard, you know, watch out. There's a little snake. And I'm going to go up close. I wonder if he's venomous. No, he's not a venomous one. He have the white head. Them say the one them have orange. If you have orange head in venomous. If you have a white head in good. You see him just a look for me? Oh, hey. Hey, turn your head straight. Turn your head straight. Where you look the way you are. Yo, me not like him turn your head the way. And now take one more step towards him. I lied. Gonna do it. Gonna do it, guys. Yo, I'm a premium Fred. Yo, go on about your business, yo. I don't trust you. See each up, you see how far me actually there? Zoom in, me there far. Far. You don't trust him, he now move. You look like you have rabies. Yo, so every time when I move, yo, my finger on stone and lick him. Yeah, like roll him up. See that? I stone him off. So I find the wasp nest. Oh wait, let me lost it. Don't see them. I'll be washing on this today. I find the wasp nest. I'll be a wasp. So right now, we're there, we're in a Walmart. You have Ricky right here. And you have Trabass all the way back there. Where look, fish, because they're not dead. When they're dead, we call them Sumaron. Right now, we're in a Walmart. And my youth, stop trying to hold me on them, my youth. Jesus Christ. Yo, me never see Sumaron fish selling a Walmart before. But Ricky said, you see it over here before?
You on that?
Yeah.
You never see swimmers here before, and I was trying to show you the other day.
Never seen nothing here before. At least I can yarn enough to cover your mouth.
No, I didn't yawn.
We are trying.
Oh, it's gone down now.
Where you say gone down?
The price for mystery. Where is that?
Yo, where fish dead there?
No, they used to have the fish there right here.
Ricky said they used to have fish them right here.
Oh, dude.
I tell him. Him don't listen.
They had it here before.
You don't listen.
They weren't selling. That's why they got rid of them. What's that, $17?
You know, could I make you out of a fish store?
Stop following them before we kill you.
No, yeah, drive out then come on.
Follow them now.
I'm ready.
Huh?
So no, me buy this.
Buy one.
I got to keep my mouth fresh. You know?
Yeah, so cash out. If me do something, I would have buy next curtain, but me had it on Amazon already. We in our Bravos. And we are doing like a food shopping. Right now, Trabass get salmon. Look at the
Get the biggest piece in there.
Look for the biggest piece. Come here, say, where you gone? We just start. You know what I mean?
We grocery shopping now because watch out, we forgot a pet store, we forgot swap shop. Buba, yeah, take you Uber?
Probably.
Buba go take you Uber go swap shop, go the pet store. Yeah, take you Uber go swap shop. Yeah man, so we Uber it. GLE chop coming next week.
Yeah. This big old piece of salmon made up of full up and beef. You buy fish, swimmer stuff?
Yeah, them are cleaning.
And they look dead.
I got a new phone, guys.
Show them.
You not activate yet. Me not no internet house yet. Me have to wait a minute. I just bought a new phone, guys. So, boom, come to it me now.
1, 2, 3.
Hello. Come back on.
Yeah, right on.
Yeah! Now that boy go buy one camera. Mommy, you see my bike, man. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? If you want my finger. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What kind of man are they? Where are trouble in from? Yeah. Am I bad one, you know?
Invite you, we know if I'm my bad one.
Bad, you know. Watch it.
Yo, come on, fun up here, the crowd, dog. So right now we're here again, on the infamous aisle.
I want popcorn for movie night.
Movie night.
Need a girlfriend, guys. I'm looking at girlfriend.
Talk to them.
So if anybody here is fired up.
He lying. He lying. I'm not even gonna waste you guys' time.
I need a girl for real.
Yo, what them now? Bigfoot, $1. $2 for $1. Now we get the extra bus
Three
off.
bag coming at them, dog.
Yeah, 3 bag in all of them.
I joke them, yeah.
Buy 2 packs. See 3 bag. Yeah, 3 bag coming in all of them.
4 bag. Let me get one more.
Movie, I go watch now.
I need a girl to come watch it with
What
me.
me say to you, Liquor?
I'm not loving you.
So right about now, oil. We just about to left the supermarket. What I do? Hot.
We're about to put these shits in the car.
I'm burning up.
Go park again, hold on. Go park. Over there. Come on.
Go get it.
Let's go.
And we're finally there home. We're about to pack out grocery and all of them. Something there. I know. So, I'm about to pack out grocery. We're not sure what I cook later. I probably cook a video. I'm going to see it, but that I go in the next vlog. Depends on what we do for cook. I'll buy a whole heap of chicken, buy salmon, and Trabass buy a whole heap of fish. But I think right here, so now, I'm going to close the vlog right here. So, I'm going to do this for today. Because right now, 2:30 right now, I'm going to try upload the vlog here at 6 o'clock. So, I don't think it's going to work. So, I'm going to probably get the vlog here. Today, what, Wednesday?
Yeah, Friday.
Today, Friday?
Yeah.
I'm going to probably get the vlog here Saturday. I'm going to try for 5. I'm going to try for 6 o'clock. No, the vlog, I'm going to try upload a vlog today, but I'm going to probably do it 6 o'clock for tomorrow. So, yeah. Blessings and respect for follow out and watch the vlog, yeah. If you don't see this go up Friday, which is today, because 3 o'clock already, I'm going to just put it up tomorrow. So, blessings and respect. Up it in.
Hold on then, before you click off, remember the merch in the bio right now for purchase. Any Big Up My G's merch, any color, we have everything for the ladies them, you know what I mean? We have phone case, we have everything, we have pullover, we have regular shirts, we have long sleeve. Support the movement, my G's. Blessings and respect. Up it in.